Legends of Learning presents the Beboop and the Juice Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about knowing the sizes of measurement units fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, oh no! Someone shut down Juicy's Grease's factory at Robot Town, and no one can have that delicious soft drink anymore. Only Beboop can help us and save the day again. Use the mouse to click on the different buttons to help complete the math measurement conversions. Use the arrow keys to move on the screen and press the control button to interact with objects, and enter to continue reading interesting facts about math. Convert different units of measurement and calculate equivalent amounts of measurements to progress to higher levels. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.